3 vitamin deficiencies that secretly cause gray hair. Are you watching your hair turn gray and blaming genetics or aging when the real culprit might be hiding in your bloodstream? What if 3 specific vitamin deficiencies are secretly stealing your hair color right now and you have no idea it's happening? Most people never connect premature graying to nutritional deficiencies because these vitamins work silently behind the scenes, and by the time symptoms appear, significant damage has occurred. Millions of Americans are deficient in these 3 critical vitamins without realizing it until their hair turns gray, their energy crashes, or worse health problems develop. Today, I'm revealing the 3 vitamin deficiencies that secretly cause gray hair and exactly how to fix them based on scientific research. Stick around because I'll expose the biggest mistake that keeps these deficiencies from being corrected. Here's what most people don't know about vitamin B12 deficiency and its powerful connection to premature gray hair. The first vitamin deficiency that secretly causes gray hair is vitamin B12, and research from dermatology journals shows that B12 deficiency is one of the most common yet overlooked nutritional causes of early graying. Studies reveal that B12 is absolutely essential for DNA synthesis and cell division in melanocytes, the pigment-producing cells in your hair follicles that give your hair its natural color. The mechanism involves vitamin B12 being required for critical methylation reactions that control gene expression in melanocytes. Studies show that without adequate B12, melanocytes cannot replicate properly or produce melanin efficiently, leading to premature graying. Think about what happens when your cellular factory lacks the essential component needed to manufacture pigment. Research demonstrates that low B12 impairs the metabolic processes necessary for melanin synthesis in hair follicles. Here's the remarkable part about B12 deficiency and gray hair that gets really exciting. Multiple case studies have documented partial or complete reversal of premature gray hair after correcting severe B12 deficiency through supplementation. Research shows that when people with documented low B12 levels and premature gray hair began B12 treatment at therapeutic doses, some experienced regrowth of pigmented hair within 3 to 6 months. While results vary based on how long the deficiency existed, the scientific connection is clearly established. Studies from the British Journal of Dermatology found that people with premature graying before age 30 had significantly lower B12 levels compared to age-matched controls with normal hair pigmentation. The research demonstrated a clear correlation between B12 status and graying age, with the lowest B12 levels found in those who grayed earliest. This isn't just a coincidence. The science shows a direct relationship between your B12 status and melanocyte function. The challenge with B12 deficiency is how common it is yet how often it goes undiagnosed. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that up to 15% of the general population and 20 to 40% of older adults have low B12 levels. Studies reveal that vegetarians and vegans are at extremely high risk since B12 is only found naturally in animal products. Research demonstrates that up to 80% of vegans and 50% of vegetarians have inadequate B12 status. Common medications also dramatically impair B12 absorption. Research shows that proton pump inhibitors used for acid reflux reduce stomach acid production necessary for B12 absorption, and people taking these medications long-term have 2 to 3 times higher risk of deficiency. Metformin, the diabetes medication taken by millions, significantly impairs B12 absorption, with studies showing 10 to 30% of users developing deficiency over time. The solution for B12 deficiency involves supplementation at therapeutic doses. Research demonstrates that 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin daily effectively corrects deficiency and supports melanin production. Studies show that methylcobalamin is the active form your body uses directly, making it superior to cyanocobalamin for melanocyte function. For severe deficiency, intramuscular injections may be necessary initially to rapidly restore levels. Before we move on, I would love to know where you are watching from. If this content is helping you understand the vitamin deficiencies that secretly cause gray hair better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. While B12 deficiency affects melanocyte metabolism, the second vitamin deficiency that secretly causes gray hair involves vitamin D, and research shows this sunshine vitamin plays surprising roles in hair follicle health and pigmentation. Studies from dermatological research demonstrate that vitamin D receptors are present in hair follicles and melanocytes, and vitamin D deficiency is associated with various hair problems, including premature graying. The mechanism involves vitamin D regulating hair follicle cycling and supporting the stem cells that give rise to both hair and melanocytes. Studies reveal that vitamin D signaling is essential for maintaining the hair follicle stem cell pool and ensuring proper differentiation into melanocyte precursors. When vitamin D levels drop too low, this process becomes disrupted, potentially leading to reduced melanocyte function and premature graying. Think about those winter months when you barely see the sun and feel sluggish and tired. Research demonstrates that vitamin D deficiency affects far more than just bone health. Studies show that melanocytes express vitamin D receptors, suggesting these pigment-producing cells need adequate vitamin D to function optimally. When vitamin D is deficient, cellular processes throughout your body, including in hair follicles, become impaired. Here's where it gets concerning for hair pigmentation and overall health. Research shows that vitamin D deficiency is incredibly common, with studies estimating that over 40% of adults in the United States have insufficient vitamin D levels. The deficiency is even more prevalent in people with darker skin, those living in northern latitudes, people who spend most time indoors, and older adults whose skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. The connection between vitamin D and hair health extends beyond just pigmentation. Research demonstrates that vitamin D plays roles in immune function, inflammation regulation, and cellular proliferation, all of which impact hair follicle health. Studies show that vitamin D deficiency increases inflammation throughout the body, and chronic inflammation accelerates melanocyte dysfunction and premature graying. Clinical observations have documented associations between low vitamin D levels and various hair disorders. According to research, people with alopecia areata, an autoimmune hair loss condition, frequently have lower vitamin D levels compared to healthy controls. Studies suggest that maintaining adequate vitamin D supports overall hair follicle health, which creates a more favorable environment for melanocyte function and pigment production. Supplementation becomes necessary for most people to achieve optimal vitamin D levels. Research reveals that doses of 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily are generally safe and effective for maintaining healthy vitamin D status. Studies show that vitamin D3, also called cholecalciferol, is more effective than vitamin D2 at raising blood levels. Testing your vitamin D levels through a simple blood test helps determine your specific supplementation needs. The third vitamin deficiency that secretly causes gray hair involves biotin, also known as vitamin B7, and research shows this often overlooked B vitamin is essential for hair health and pigmentation. Studies demonstrate that biotin plays crucial roles in amino acid metabolism, fatty acid synthesis, and gene regulation, all of which impact melanocyte function and hair growth. The mechanism involves biotin being necessary for various carboxylase enzymes that catalyze essential metabolic reactions. Studies reveal that biotin deficiency impairs protein synthesis, which becomes particularly problematic for rapidly growing tissues like hair. Research shows that hair is primarily composed of the protein keratin, and melanin production also requires complex protein synthesis that depends on adequate biotin. Think about how your hair follicles are constantly producing new hair cells and melanocytes are working to pigment each strand as it grows. Research demonstrates that this intensive cellular activity requires substantial amounts of biotin to support the enzymatic reactions necessary for both hair structure and pigment production. When biotin is deficient, both processes suffer, potentially leading to hair thinning and loss of pigmentation. Here's what makes biotin deficiency particularly sneaky. While severe biotin deficiency is rare in people eating varied diets, subclinical deficiency that doesn't cause obvious symptoms may be more common than previously thought. Research shows that certain factors increase biotin deficiency risk, including pregnancy and breastfeeding, which increase biotin requirements, long-term antibiotic use, which can disrupt gut bacteria that produce biotin, and consuming large amounts of raw egg whites, which contain avidin that binds biotin and prevents absorption. Clinical studies have examined biotin supplementation for hair health with mixed but promising results. Research demonstrates that people with documented biotin deficiency who received biotin supplementation experienced improvements in hair growth and quality. Studies show that while biotin supplements are widely marketed for hair health, the evidence is strongest for people who are actually deficient rather than those with normal biotin status. The connection between biotin and gray hair specifically is less studied than B12, but the biological mechanism suggests a potential role. Research reveals that biotin supports the health of hair follicles and the cells within them, including melanocytes. Studies show that biotin deficiency can cause hair loss, brittle hair, and potentially changes in hair color, though more research is needed to fully understand the pigmentation connection. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit the thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know about these 3 vitamin deficiencies that secretly cause gray hair. Understanding how these 3 vitamin deficiencies develop and why they often go unnoticed until gray hair appears helps you take preventive action. Research shows that nutritional deficiencies typically develop gradually over months to years, with subtle symptoms that are easy to dismiss or attribute to other causes like stress, aging, or busy lifestyles. The mechanism involves your body having storage reserves of these vitamins that can mask deficiency in early stages. Studies reveal that the liver stores vitamin B12, and it can take years to deplete these reserves if intake and absorption stop. Vitamin D is stored in fat tissue and released slowly when intake drops. Biotin is both obtained from diet and produced by gut bacteria, creating multiple potential points of failure. Think about the vague symptoms these deficiencies cause, which could be attributed to almost anything. Research demonstrates that B12 deficiency causes fatigue, weakness, and foggy thinking that most people blame on poor sleep or stress. Vitamin D deficiency leads to fatigue, muscle aches, and mood changes that seem like normal responses to busy life. Biotin deficiency may cause subtle changes in hair and nail quality that develop so gradually you don't notice. Here's what makes these deficiencies particularly insidious for hair health. By the time gray hair appears as a visible sign of deficiency, significant cellular damage may have already occurred. Research shows that melanocytes may have been functioning suboptimally for months or years before pigment production decreases enough to cause noticeable graying. Studies demonstrate that early detection and correction of deficiencies provides the best chance for reversing associated gray hair. The modern diet and lifestyle contribute to these deficiencies in multiple ways. Research reveals that processed foods lack many vitamins that whole foods provide, and modern agricultural practices have depleted soil nutrients, reducing vitamin content in produce. Studies show that indoor lifestyles dramatically reduce vitamin D production from sunlight, and chronic stress increases vitamin requirements throughout the body. The biggest mistake that keeps these vitamin deficiencies from being corrected and prevents gray hair reversal is taking random supplements at inadequate doses without testing to identify actual deficiencies and addressing underlying absorption problems. Here's the critical truth. Not everyone with gray hair has these specific deficiencies, and blindly supplementing can waste money while missing the real problem. The mechanism involves understanding that many factors cause premature graying beyond just these 3 vitamin deficiencies. Studies show that copper deficiency, iron deficiency, oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and genetics all contribute to graying. Research demonstrates that taking a standard multivitamin with minimal amounts of B12, vitamin D, and biotin won't correct significant deficiencies or reverse gray hair if you're truly deficient. Think about the frustration of spending months taking supplements and seeing no improvement in your gray hair. Research shows this happens because most people take inadequate doses of the wrong forms inconsistently without knowing if they're actually deficient in these specific vitamins. Studies demonstrate that the small amounts in multivitamins, typically 6 to 25 micrograms of B12, 400 to 800 IU of vitamin D, and 30 to 100 micrograms of biotin are far below therapeutic doses needed to correct deficiency. Another critical mistake is not addressing the underlying causes of deficiency while just taking supplements. Research demonstrates that if you're deficient because of digestive problems, medication use, or inadequate sun exposure, simply supplementing without fixing these root causes leads to recurring deficiency. Studies show that people with absorption issues from celiac disease, Crohn's disease, or gastric surgery may need much higher doses or alternative delivery methods like injections. The solution is getting comprehensive blood testing first to identify which specific vitamins you're deficient in and how severe the deficiency is. Studies show that working with a healthcare provider to determine appropriate therapeutic doses based on your test results produces far better outcomes than guessing. Research demonstrates that typical therapeutic doses include 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms of B12, 2,000 to 5,000 IU of vitamin D, and 5,000 to 10,000 micrograms of biotin for deficiency correction. Expecting immediate results represents another unrealistic mistake. Research shows that hair grows approximately half an inch per month, meaning even if you perfectly correct all deficiencies today, it takes 3 to 6 months minimum before you'd notice different pigmentation in new growth. Studies demonstrate that the gray hair already on your head won't change color, but new hair from healthier melanocytes can potentially return to its natural shade. Continuing destructive lifestyle habits while supplementing undermines your efforts. Research reveals that smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, chronic stress, poor sleep, and diets high in sugar and processed foods create oxidative stress and inflammation that damage melanocytes faster than supplements can help them. Studies demonstrate that comprehensive lifestyle changes addressing nutrition, stress, sleep, and toxin exposure work synergistically with proper supplementation. If this video helped you understand the 3 vitamin deficiencies that secretly cause gray hair and what to do about them, please share it with someone who could benefit from this science-backed information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about natural hair health. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you reverse gray hair and maintain your natural color. Thanks for watching and trusting me to reveal these 3 critical vitamin deficiencies. I'll see you in the next video.